Well, I wanted to go over the three examples shared assignment. So when we're talking about Huck Finn, you should have the very first assignment done where you gave me a summary of the overall view of what Huck Finn is about. And then three things that Huck Finn learned, three lessons that he learned. So now in this particular assignment, you are writing three different paragraphs, one for each subject learned. Okay, so what you take a look at, so that's one paragraph per lesson, so that should be three paragraphs. So in each paragraph, you need to use an example from the book. So if it's about, say, the time when they're on the raft talking about is a cow a man, and talking about is a Frenchman a man, and that's the example you want to use from the book, that's cool. What did Huck learn from that? So you use the example, you explain what was going on the raft, what the conversation was about, you explain what lesson Huck learned from this Frenchman being a man. And then the last thing that you need in your paragraph is you need to compare it something that's not in the book. So this lesson that he learned, you find something not in the book, whether it's something that happened to you, another book, a movie, something you heard that happened to somebody else, anything that teaches the same lesson. And so you compare it to that in the paragraph. So you'll have three things. You'll have an example from the book. You explain how that example taught Huck something, and then you'll give another example of something not in the book that shows the same lesson. And so you'll have three paragraphs. You could end up, if you feel like you need to do more paragraphs to get all that in, that's fine.